Hello friends, welcome back to this session. Today we are going to check the DeepSeek, how DeepSeek will work with the Android Flutter app. So I think this is the first example what we are doing today, and lots of people are also curious to see how DeepSeek is making the difference with the ChatGPT. So we're going to check with the both use case with the ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's see. First, I have the prompt to generate a code. So I need a toggle bar product card with the simple shopping app. So I'm just giving the both app having the same prompt to just check. So with DeepSeek, I'm just giving the same code here, same prompt to get the code here. So this will generate a code, and the difference between the DeepSeek and the ChatGPT, which basically DeepSeek will give the logic why and how it's creating the actual code, the behind the logic. So if you see the thinking part, you can see what actually DeepSeek is thinking here. So you try to understand this one, and this is the actual logic behind the code which you are going to use. So this will help you to understand how the actual code is generating. What is the idea behind the creating the code? What is the idea behind the actual logic? So it's generating the now code. The logical part is done. This will take some more time comparatively ChatGPT, but yeah, it's giving the benefit part is we can understand the logical here. So let's wait to generate the complete this code. Okay, I think the final code is generated here. You can see the conclusion part is printing here. So this will basically taking the bit more time, but yeah, the code is completed here. I'm just taking this code, I'm just copying here, pasting in my main.dart file here. Okay, and this code is pasted here. I'll not do any change here. We'll use the same as it is the code, and we'll check how this code is working. So I'm just doing the run here. So this is going to build here. So it's basically building here. The compilation part is running. So let's see the output here in our app part. So the preview part is here. You can see the visualizations, the whatever the code we have given. So this is my code of the shopping app, and this is generated the preview part. Here you can see different product it's given here, and the application name, and this the category, that all men and the kids. Okay, now just checking with the ChatGPT. I'm just giving the same prompt here, and I'm just triggering the same code here, and this will actually generate the code. So this is the difference between the ChatGPT and the DeepSeek. No problem. You can, if you can understand code, then that is also fine. But the difference between the timing is basically ChatGPT will give the quick, faster output. Yeah, but difference is that DeepSeek will give the logical part. Okay, so let's go back to Android Studio. I'm just removing this code, and let me stop. And okay, this is done. Now let's wait for to complete this code. So once code is done, we can, I think our code is done. Okay, now let's copy this code. Okay, and now I'm just taking the same code here. Okay, now let's run this example with the ChatGPT code. So I'm just running this code again. I have pasted in the main.dart. Same prompt we have used in the both case with DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Let's see the output here. So it's building actually here. So let's see here. Basically it will take not much time, yeah, but you have to wait because since it's a virtual machine will generate here. Okay, I think it's done. We can see here the output here. Okay, so you can see the code output here. This is basically, you can see the shopping app, the main, women and kids category, but here internal you can see there is a many exception is generated here. And this is not actually the running code. We can see there is some reference, something is not working inside the code. So this is not as expected from the ChatGPT, but yeah, if we compare same with the DeepSeek, then here the DeepSeek is the win. So same example we have used for the Flutter app, and comparison with the both DeepSeek and ChatGPT. But DeepSeek given the proven that things, and we have seen that its example is completely running. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.